Welcome back to ornament number 5 out of 24 ornaments. Today we are going to make this adorable little gnome. You can definitely use some thread and sew the hat, but you can also use some hot glue if you'd prefer. Check out the description down below for a whole bunch of different links for your shopping Christmas needs, and let's jump into this tutorial.
Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. Memories of flickering shadows, cold nights, hearing the wind blows the snowflakes, reminds me of something gone. Send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Christmas, a time to be cheerful and joyful, but baby, you left me alone. So send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. So show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. My only wish this year is for you to be here. Show me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Oh, show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Oh, 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 I'll be waiting on miracles tonight. 'Cause don't you know it's Christmas? Don't you know it's Christmas? That's why I'm waiting on miracles tonight. That's why I'm waiting on miracles tonight.
And that, my friends, is the Christmas gnome. What do you think? Did you enjoy him? I sure enjoyed making this adorable little gnome. So check back next week as I will have more ornaments for you. This was number 5 out of 24 ornaments, so we've got a ways to go. All right, see you next time.